Yes, very good morning to all the second BBA students. And I'm very happy to take class for you. I think in the last year, on the first day itself, I interacted with you for 20 minutes when you joined the first year BBA class. Hope you remember me. My name is Dr. Umesh Maya. I'm very happy to say that received Best Teacher Award in the year 2002. And happy to say that I have written nearly 10 textbooks. And all the 10 textbooks are recommended by Mangalore University for BBA and BCom courses. Even other university also. This semester I'll be taking.
Hello, sir.
Please tell me.
So I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
There are some participants that they are not getting a audio.
So not getting audio means their problem. I think I'm reaching you, no? I'm reaching you means you are right and I'm right. Ask them to check. Okay. Yes. So since I'm taking first time in class to you, so generally in the first session I would love to have the introduction session. It is like teaching a mathematics to a teacher. I should know something about mathematics. I should know something about Peter also. To be a good teacher, to be a good communicator, to be a perfect teacher, as a teacher, as a mathematics teacher, I should know something about mathematics. Yes, no doubt. So that I can deliver the subject. At the same time, I should know something about the audience. I should know something about the Peter also. When I'm teaching mathematics to Peter. So that is why I would like to have the online on the introduction in the very first session. Only in the first session. I already introduced myself. Now it is your turn. You have to introduce yourself. Maybe we can go as per the registration number. There is no confusion. We'll go as per the registration number. If the particular registration number is not there, then the second next they can continue. You have to tell your name and you have to tell where you have completed your PUC. And the third one is your native place. 3 points you have to cover in the introduction. Just tell your name and where you have studied your second PU. And the third point to be covered in the introduction is your native place. Okay. And while introducing, I already mentioned, you unmute and introduce yourself quickly. Yeah, registration number, first registration number, yeah. Please start.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please unmute. Please unmute your audio.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, myself, Ashtina Asra.
Okay. Yeah,
I have completed my PUC in Salihat Hude and I'm staying in Narkere.
okay. Good. Fast. It is online. Unmute and speak.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I am Ananya, and I've completed my PUC in Malagris College, PU, and I'm staying in Hampankatte.
Okay, next. Next, please, because 11:40 I should close. I always upkeep my promise. If next number is absent, continue next. Who is next after Ananya? Unmute and speak.
Myself, Farzana Muskan.
Okay.
I studied PU in Salihad Hude.
Yeah, please continue.
Hude, and I am from Brahmavati.
Okay, next. Okay, today we will have up to 10 members only, introduction. We will continue next because I have to teach the subject also. Because you are taking so much of time to introduce yourself. Okay, other 3-4 members quickly. Any students quickly?
Hello,
Yeah.
good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Samrin Banu. I am from Manipal and I studied in MGM College.
Very good. Next. Another 4 students can. Then we'll stop and I'll continue the class. The remaining students can introduce yourself in the next session. Next, please. Any students? You are leader. There is a leader.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
My name is Sonu NJ. Studied in St. Mary's Kundapura from Kollur.
Okay. Next. Yeah, give the opportunity to the leader, Akshita.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. From the network issue, I left and I connected again.
Introduce yourself. Okay. Name, where you have studied your PU, and native place. Only 3 points to be covered. Quickly.
Okay. My name is Akshita Jagdish Shetty. I am from Maharashtra. I also completed my second PU till Maharashtra and I scored till 76% in the second PU. Later on, I shift to Karnataka for my degree.
Okay. Next, last one student. Remaining students can introduce yourself in the next class. Okay. Otherwise, the entire session is required for introduction. Generally, in the class, I would like to have full session for introduction. But because this is online, please. Supriya, yeah.
Hello, sir. Myself, Mr. John. I completed my PUC Nirmala PU College from Brahmavara.
Okay. Right. So we'll stop the introduction session. Okay. I'll mute all of you. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಯಾ ಸೊ ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮೈ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಮಯ್ಯ ಐಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ total there are 4 hours for the subject in a week and I will be taking only 2 hours 4 ಗಂಟೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ and out of 4 hours ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ನಾನು ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು only 2 hours remaining 2 hours will be taken by some other faculty I don't know who is taking maybe guest faculty or maybe a permanent faculty I don't know so it will be intimated by the Gauri madam to you fine so I'll be taking 2 hours in a week since I have written so many books business statistics is also no issue but I have not written books on business statistics and the next semester you have got actually so far we had commercial law in the 3rd semester so far in the earlier syllabus we had commercial law in the 3rd semester and 4th semester we used to have the stat and maths stat paper 4th semester but because of the new syllabus now your commercial law has been shifted to 5th semester so you will get my book in the 5th semester and you will also get my book in the 6th semester. Okay, fine. Subject name is business statistics. There are two different terms used here. One is business, the second one is statistics. What is business? I will not expect the answer from you, because you have started studying the concept of business from first PU onwards. I think all of you have studied business studies in the first PU as subject. So you know pretty well that business, what is business? Okay, I will assume that you know business. Now, the second part is statistics, and one more is mathematics. So I'll be taking much of the statistics part. Maths part will be taken by other faculty. Now, can anybody tell what is statistics? What do you understand by the term statistics? If you want to tell the answer, just unmute and tell me the answer. I'll give 1 minute time to interact with me. If you know the answer, if you want to tell the answer, even if you commit mistake, no issue, nothing, no problem, because you are a student. There is no punishment also. Even if you tell wrong answer, no issue. So can you please tell me? What do you understand? Even ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Okay, no answer? Okay, no problem. Now, can we say there is no unanimous definition as the term statistics is concerned? My dear students, please understand, there is no unanimous definition. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no unanimous definition as far as the term statistics is concerned. Which means you can define the term in your own way. You can define the statistics in your own way. So I may think of statistics as, statistics means playing with numbers. My answer is correct. You can't say wrong. Statistics nothing but playing with the numbers. Statistics deals with the numbers. Correct. Numerical aspects. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು. It's correct. Some people say that statistics is an aggregate of facts. Some people say that statistics is an aggregate of facts. I think newspaper ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ 71% ಕೊರೋನಾ ಗುಣಮುಖರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. 71% of the corona patients are getting recovery in all over India. This is a statistics. ಇದು ಏನಿದು? This is an aggregate. 71% is an aggregate fact of all the states. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 71% in India. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ statistics means an aggregate of facts. My dear student, please ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You have to attend the class with the pen and notebook. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ. You have to take the class points. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Because I know how BBM works. Okay. And correct ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Statistics is nothing but playing with the numbers. Statistics is nothing but deals with the numerical aspects. Some people say that statistics is nothing but it is defined as an aggregate of facts. Just now I gave an example. In India, 71% of the COVID patient is getting recovery. So recovery percentage is 71%. This 71% represents all the states of India. It is not one state is alive. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ 71%, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, aggregate marks? I think Akshita has mentioned 76% she has scored in second PU, correct Alama? Second PU, correct? You have scored 76%. In that second PU, there are 4 to 5 subjects, 6 subjects are there. So all 6 subjects together 76%. Again, it's aggregate of facts. Again, it's a aggregate of all subjects. So aggregate of facts. And some people say that statistics are defined as statistics are numerically expressed data. Statistics are numerically expressed data. ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, statistics are numerically expressed data. All these things you have to write in exam. Statistics are numerically expressed data. I'll go very slowly. Don't worry. I tell you, nothing to worry about subject statistics. Since I'm here, no need to worry. Here, you follow my instructions. You do as per my instructions. And there is no need to study at home also. Tumba na study mane kodala. You attend our classes regularly, make the points. Okay, yeah. And some people say that statistics is defined as systematic process of collection of data and analyzing the data and presenting the data in the tabular form. I'll repeat. Some people define the term statistics are defined as systematic collection of data, analysis of data, after analysis, presenting the data with the help of tabular form. Systematic collection of data, analysis of data, then presenting the data. While presenting, tables are used, columns are used, rows and columns are used. It is called tabular form. Tabulation. Tabulation means presenting the data in the form of with the help of rows and columns. Rows andre hige addadda baruttalla adu rows. Column nimma gulabi alla. Rows andre addadda line baruttalla. Columns anta helidre hige straight line baruttadalla, vertical. Horizontal ge ನಾವು rows anta ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Okay. In textbook, you can refer any textbook, my dear students. I will share the syllabus also. You can refer any textbooks. In textbook, some textbook says that statistics are defined in two ways, in singular form and in the plural form. Statistics are defined in singular form as well as plural form. In singular form, statistics means systematic presentation of data, analysis of data, and presenting the data in a tabular form. It is singular form only meaning. In the plural form only, statistics means, in the plural sense, statistics means numerical data. And the data is expressed in the numerical, it is called statistics. So hagidre, in singular sense, systematic collection, etc., etc. In the plural sense, statistics means numerical facts. Is it clear to all of you? Nan paಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Can you follow me? Because ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, to teach a mathematics teacher, I should know something about Peter, I should know something about math, and I know the subject. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. And again, moreover, online ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಈಗ. If it is a regular class, by seeing your face, ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. So I'll mix with English and Kannada, don't worry. Okay. So far, I think there is no issue. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ? All points you have followed? Yeah, please repeat, please answer anyone. Leader, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Because your feedback is also important to here. Yeah, fine. Now, some people say that statistics is defined as statistics means science of computing. Some people have defined the statistics means science of compounding. That is also correct. Some people have defined the statistics as statistics is a science of average. Statistics is a science of average. That is also correct. Then some people also define the statistics as science of estimation and probabilities. So all these answers are correct. I think there are 10 different ways I have explained the meaning of statistics to you. 10 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. You need not write all 10s. All 10 ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಫೈನ್ ಬಿಡಿ. You are wonderful. At least I think you can recollect 4-5 points. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ you pick and you write. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In statistics, the most important is we will have the rough data. Initially, we will have the rough data. I'll give you example now. With examples only, I will explain. Now, any 5 students, carefully, listen carefully. Any 5 students, yaru agtide, any 5 students. You please tell me your first semester marks. Second semester exam ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ವಾ? Without exam, you have been promoted to third semester. Correct? Yeah. Now, in the first semester, how much marks you got? Wait, Madi. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ wait ಮಾಡಿ. I will note down. I will note down. Any 5 students ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಏನಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to tell me now how much marks. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
ಹೌದು. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ನನಗೆ any 5 students you have to give the answer now. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ನನಗೆ. ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಆಮ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಂತ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಷಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬೇಡ. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಪುವರ್ ಇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರಿ ವೀಕ್ ಇದೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. 1 minute. ಸರ್ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕರೀತೀರಾ? ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Okay. Now you please tell me. ನಾನು ಬರೀತೇನೆ, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಬರೀತೇನೆ ಈಗ. $60% and above. ನೀವು ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ 60% above ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 65% and above ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ BBM ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ 70% ಮತ್ತೆ 70% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 75% and ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು ಬರ್ದಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂಡ್ above. ಈಗ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? 4 ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Any one of you please tell me ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ 60% ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 60% ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರೆ?
60%, sir.
60%. ನೋಡಿ, ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಒಂದು 7 ಜನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ. ನೀ 5-6 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ 60% ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 60% ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೆರಿ.
60%, sir.
One more students have replied they are 60%.
Samrin Banu.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
Samrin Banu.
I know, I don't want name. Okay, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು. ನೀವು ಯಾರು 60% ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? 60 and less than 60.
60%.
60%. One more. Okay, 3 members ಆಯ್ತು. Next
60%.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ನೋಡಿ, 5ನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. 5ನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 60% and less than 60%. How many students have scored? ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? There are
5.
students. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. There are 5 students have scored 60 and less than 60%. ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 60% ಕತೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ನಾನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ನಾವು 65%, 60ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 60% ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು 65 and less than 65 ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಈಗ? 60 to 65%, 60ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
67 sir.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ 60 ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 60 and 65, 65 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾನು. ಹೇಳಿ 60 to 65. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. I'll write. Okay, no problem. Only one student. I'll write number count is 1. Okay. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 65ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು, ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 70%. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡುವ? ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 65 and 70 ಹೇಳಿ. 65% and 70%.
67%.
Okay, one student has scored 67. Next. Next. Any other students have scored 65 and just the 70 in the less? Between 65 and 70, any other students have scored?
70%.
Yeah, please.
70%.
75 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ 75 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ 75%. ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಹಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಒಂದು 3-4 ಜನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಲೀಡರ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್? ಲೀಡರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್?
It's in 60 category.
ಎಷ್ಟು
Sir, it's in 60 category.
Between?
60 category.
No, madam, sorry.
In 60%.
In 60%. Okay.
Sir, it's in 60 category. Yeah.
Okay. ನಾನು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 60 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. I will change the number. Yeah. Instead of 5, I will make it 6 now. No problem. Okay. Okay. Here one student. Here also one student. Now I'll get the total. 6 plus 3 total 9 students. Correct? See. Now what I did here is I have collected the data from you. Am I right? I have asked the question. This is a primary data which I have collected from you. Because I have directly interacted with the person and I have collected the data. You only told your data. Now, what is the meaning of statistics? Statistics is defined as systematic
Numerical data.
process of collecting the data and analyzing the data and presenting the data in the tabular form. Now, I did the same thing here now. I have collected the data from you and I have I have written the total also. Now I can say today 9 students have interacted with me with regard to the sharing of the first semester BBA marks. And out of 9, 6 students have scored 60% and less than 60%. And 1 student has scored marks between 60 to 65. And 1 student has scored marks between 65 to 70. And 1 student has scored 75% and above. So this is the interpretation part. So I think this is the one way of defining the statistics meaning. Now you please tell me, this is a singular form or plural form? Systematic collecting of data and analyzing the data and presenting data in a tabular form, whether it is a singular form or plural form, which I've already discussed it. It is a
Singular form.
Singular.
Singular form. Very good. Now,
Singular.
good. Very good. Fine. So we can say that statistics begins with the collection of data and ends with the systematic presentation of data. Fine. Now I will share the syllabus now. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there are 4 minutes more 11:40 ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? Is it visible to you? Share?
Yes.
Yeah. Subject name is Business Statistics Mathematics.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is as per the new syllabus, as per the choice based. Module 1, I'll be taking entire module 1. I'll be taking. Okay. Module 2 is also will be taken by me only. Module 1, module 2 full ನಾನು ತಗೋತೇನೆ. Module 3 and 4. ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ there are 4 modules. 4 module ಇರೋದು. 3 and 4. I don't know who is taking. Maybe a guest faculty or maybe even permanent faculty also. I don't know. That who is taking the last 2 units will be informed to you by either Gauri madam or ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. Okay. So first 2 units will be taken by from my side. Is it okay? Yeah. Today, the first part I have covered, introduction to statistics and definition part I have covered. Now, can you recollect? Yeah. Meanwhile, you recollect the answers. Meanwhile, listen carefully. You have to put your attendance now. ನಿಮ್ಮ attendance ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, you go to chat box. ನೋಡಿ, ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ PDF ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಟುಡೇ ಬೈ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನ PDF ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ. ನಾನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಈಗ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾ, ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮೀ. ಸಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಹಾಕದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ putting the last 3 numbers, registration number is important. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, my dear students, what I will do is, now I will follow this online class method also. I will also follow the audio class. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವುದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರ್,
1 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದು 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಸರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮು. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೆಫರ್ ದಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಚೇಂಜು. ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
Okay, sir.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3rd ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ 3rd ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಹಾ, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್
Clear, sir.
ಹಾ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್, ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್.